Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am decorating my dashboard planner, which I use for my social media planner. So when I say dashboard planner, that means the layout of the spread. So the right page has the days of the week, and then there's like one open spot up there on the top of the left of that page. And then the left page is all different compartments, I guess, and different places that you can put, all different kinds of lists. So for someone that uses stickers, though, that is a lot of space to put down lots of different stickers. So it has been working out really, really well as my social media planner. So the different lists that I need in my social media planner, I need like one big to-do list. I need an editing list. I need a space where I like to write down some goals and then video ideas. I also have been liking a section where I can write down different things that I want to talk about in my stories, like on Instagram. And then let's see what else. I also have like a little note section where I can just write down whatever. So that's why this layout specifically has been working really, really well for me. So this week, using the pastel Happy Plans sticker book has been so cute. It is just, I don't know, it's just so darn cute. The detail in this sticker book is out of this world. So if you see that really long box that says notes up at the top that I just stuck down, at the bottom of the box are these two lines that overlap each other, kind of like mild liners, and it is just such a cool little detail that they didn't have to do. Like, it could have just been a regular, just plain box, but having that overlap, it's just, it's so cute, especially coming from me that is so obsessed with mild liners. So then down at the bottom, I put that Spread Joy, and I was kind of sad though because it didn't reach, it was like a little bit too long, so I cut it. I also probably should have tried putting it diagonally, or not diagonally, diagonally, up and down on the page, so that you would have to turn the page to be able to read it correctly, but either way, it's fine. Okay, so then I put down that little list that has the yellow at the bottom, and I figured that would be good for the goals. And then this section up here has been kind of like a challenge for me. I sometimes just want to decorate it, and then other times I want to use it as a spot for one of my lists. But this week I stuck it down wrong. So I'm just going to embrace imperfection and leave that there. But I decided to put a little box up there. So I think I'm going to use that for goals. Then these strips are so darn cute and obviously match perfectly. So I want to use them as a little accent on the page. So I had one that's with the gold dots that I put just on Monday. And then that one that has lots of different shapes, I put at the top of the left page. And there's so many different boxes to choose from. I actually, if I'm being honest with you, I ended up putting too many lists. So I had one extra one, which is why I'm making a note section this week. I didn't have that before, but granted, the other weeks I have been I need a little note section. So I did it this week, totally unintentionally. Then all these, I want to say quotes, but they're really just words, big words. that whole page I really wanted to use, but I wasn't sure where to stick them down. So I put that happy right there in the middle. And I think I actually end up putting kind somewhere on the page as well. These little like half circles with dots on them, so darn cute. I'm obsessed. So I actually ended up putting like a lot of them on the page. It's so fun. I'm normally not all about the pastels. Excuse me. I'm really not normally all about the pastels, but this book is so fun and it has so many cute details like I was talking about that I really, really like it. And I've had it for a while. It's surprising because I've only used it on my daily sheet. I hadn't used it in an actual spread yet. That sometimes tends to happen because once I use a book, I have this system where I put all my stickers now that I put the like already used or, stickers that don't necessarily need that much. Like I kind of put them away, like they're not easily accessible. So then the newer books get put right up where I can reach them quickly or where I can like look at them often so that I remember to use them. So then this one got kind of put to the back of that section and I forgot to even use it on an actual spread instead of just my daily sheet. All right, so that is going to finish up the page and I'll put it back into the discs for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.